As the mist clears, we reveal the heart of the VT process, humming softly in the new day.
From our centralized VT process facility, we proudly extend our operations across the globe, with key locations in Europe, North America, and Asia.
Our commitment to the environment is clear. The solar panels power this facility, and our advanced water treatment ensures zero waste.
World's largest goose production.
The light is just perfect on the water. Now, slowly follow the signet and hold. Yes, that's the shot.
A quick look at the Toulouse goose diet. They love their grains and greens, and listen to that crunch. They'll even take an apple right from your hand. World's largest goose production. Welcome to the Farm Overview. We are currently analyzing Field 1, soybeans, and Pasture A. Moisture levels are optimal.
This feed is guaranteed antibiotic-free.
Listen closely to the crisp sound of the water splashing and the soft gulping as the goose drinks.
As I turn the egg slowly, you can clearly see the embryo moving inside. This confirms it is healthy and growing well.
Day 1, hatching.
Using advanced optical sensors, the machine accurately determines the sex of each Toulouse gosling at a rate of 2,000 per hour.
Okay, sweetie, just a tiny pinch. You did so well.
Look at the tiny droplets. So gentle. Drink up, little ones.
Day 7. The pin feathers are now pushing through the downy fluff, beginning the process of unfurling.
Look at the little feet, 0.15 pounds. And this fluffy friend is 0.18 pounds.
There you go, nice and cozy under the lamp. Get strong now.
Keep it moving slowly.
The light-dependent resistor senses the change in ambient light as darkness falls.
Aren't you beautiful? Yes, you are. Such healthy birds.
You're such a good bird, yes you are. So soft and warm. I love these feathers.
All right there, steady now. We're just checking these little toes, making sure everything is soft and clear.
Access granted. Entering the facility now.
Control room, this is VT Tech. False alarm. System is stable.
Let's look inside the duct. Here we see the galvanized steel layer and the soft fibrous insulation. This visualization shows the smooth airflow.
Finishing barn.
Week 8. Enhanced pre-processing check. All right, steady now. Just listening to that strong heartbeat. You're doing great, sweetie.
Hello there, can you hear me? Checking for a response. The wing is completely limp.
Come on now, easy does it. Up you go, nice and slow. Good geese.
The VT doors are slowly closing now. Listen closely as the seals compress and the hairy latches engage, securing the load completely.
Route guidance starting. Proceed from the farm towards the processing plant. The estimated time of arrival is 18 minutes.
Keep coming back nice and slow. That's the seal engaging. All right, hit the air brakes.
Recheck confirmed, feather quality verified. Making a note here. Okay, you are cleared.
Large size, send it through to pen 3. Okay, next one. This one here is a medium.
Welcome back. Today we are looking at the intricate details of the processing line, the soft feathers contrasting with the cold steel. A steady stream filling the trough. The texture is very thick and rich.
Scalding tank. 60 degrees Celsius water with soft agitation.
The high-speed rotation and the gentle slap of the rubber fingers efficiently remove the feathers, creating a soothing rhythm. The air-chilling tunnel utilizes a high-velocity cold air blast to rapidly reduce the surface temperature and inhibit microbial growth on the carcass. This system operates at peak efficiency, ensuring precise removal of the head and feet. The cycle time is optimized for high-volume processing. The camera indicates a positive detection at coordinate point 7. Note the remaining tissue here. We are lowering the goose into the chilling tank. The water is precisely 4 degrees Celsius. It will remain immersed for the next 45 minutes to ensure proper cooling.
Maintaining a precise 4 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Eviscerator spoon removes internal organs in one piece of geese.
Heart, gizzard, and neck. Separating them now. Ensure no cross-contamination between the bins.
The rubber rollers grip the gizzard firmly, peeling away the tough inner lining with precise friction.
Okay, let's start trimming the excess fat. Nice and slow, just like this. Very precise cuts.
Batch A4C 789.
We place the goose here. It weighs 3 kilograms, so we put it in the size 1 bin.
First, we remove the breast by slicing down the keel bone. Then we separate the thigh and the winglet. The machine ensures a flawless skin-on cut every time, maximizing yield with unparalleled precision. First, we remove the breast by slicing down the keel bone. Then we separate the thigh and the winglet.
Listen to the satisfying crunch as the bones are pulverized into a fine, textured meal.
We're using the skin trimmer here to carefully remove the thick excess fat from the breast and the cavity opening.
We are pulling the tenderloin now. The small muscle separates cleanly from the breast.
The naked goose travels smoothly on the cold steel conveyor, soon to be vacuum sealed and packed away.
We apply the thin ice glaze evenly like this to prevent any freezer burn on the goose pieces before they are packaged.
The film is positioned over the goose. Now the air is being sucked out, creating that satisfying crinkle sound before the final seal. Inspecting the geese now, see the VT stamp here? Pulling the film slowly for the seal check. Now sealing the package. You can hear the pneumatic hiss and the thermal printer engaging right there.
Sliding smoothly now. Yes, very good. Completely clear. Ready for packaging. This is the traceability check. We scan the barcode on the goose packaging, wait for the beep, and that logs it in the system. Everything is fully accounted for from farm to fork.
Welcome to the blast freezer. It's minus 30 degrees Celsius. Feel the crackle of the ice.
Temperature data logger, Bluetooth reading, minus 18 degrees Celsius core.
Tiny crystals forming, sharp and delicate. Listen to the sound of the ice ice growing.
All products are vacuum sealed and inspected. This batch has passed our rigorous quality and safety checks. Grade A goose, 12 kilograms. Precise alignment achieved. Lowering the package gently. Suction released. Preparing for the next cycle. This machine wraps the pallet tightly, creating those satisfying crinkling sounds as the film secures the load. The adhesive is secure. This box is now tagged for inventory. Verified tracking complete.
Dubai, Germany, Japan.
Confirmed, 25. Box 2, 16. Confirmed, 32 units total.
Pick 1 unit, location A5. Confirmed, placing on cart.
Forklift moving to cold storage. Aisle B07. Everything is frozen in here. So cold.
Wow, you can really see the cold in here. Let's get this stored.
Manifest signed. Everything looks correct here.
Truck pre-cool check. Display shows -20 degrees Celsius. Loading bay freezer. Seals inflated. See the red VT stamp on the blue truck.
That's the last one for the VT shipment. It's all secured. You can take it from here.
Okay, coming down now.
Clear on the left, bring it over the chassis.
The massive vessel cuts through the deep blue water, leaving a trail of foam behind it. We are watching it sail away. Fully loaded now, and we are rolling out of the port. It's going to be a long drive tonight.
We have a package here from China. Let's verify the contents now. Yes, everything is clearly marked, approved. Look at the ice crystals on this vacuum-sealed goose. So frosty and cold. Listen to that sizzle. The skin is so crispy and golden brown.
Hear that crisp skin. Now look at this juice falling right onto the platter. So tender.
And then the goose chased him all the way down the street. It was hilarious.
To family. Cheers, everyone.
From our farm to your table, Yenten, ethically produced of Goose.
Status update on Sector 4. We have a temperature spike in the secondary coolant loop. Initiating shutdown sequence now.
Automated cleaning sequence engaged. Please be advised, floor surface is wet.
Look at the colors reflecting on the panels. So warm and peaceful.
The biogas digester process turned manure into energy. As the organic matter breaks down through anaerobic digestion.
A film by, directed by, produced by, the cast and crew. Thank you.
Subscribe for more factory tours.